Hello, friends. Welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for code, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Discussing question number 3. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC, intersecting each other at point O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So first of all, we have to observe the 2-3 things here. So what he has given. So ABCD is a trapezium. So I have taken a trapezium here. In this, AB is parallel to CD. So these two lines are parallel. This line and this side, these two sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel in a trapezium. So these two sides are parallel here. This is given. Now the diagonal AC and BD. So when he is talking about AC and BD, better you join these two. AC, you join it. So this is the joining. I am joining AC. Next, I will join BD also. So diagonal will be straight. Don't worry about it. This is a diagonal. Just we assume that AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal. So these two diagonals are intersecting. It is, he has given clearly intersecting at point O. So I am taking the at point O here. This is the point O here. So overall information what he has given in the data I have shown in the figure. So I have taken here trapezium ABCD and AB is parallel to CD and both the diagonals are intersecting at O. So this is the information he has given. Now we have to use a similarity criteria. So here clearly we can note down the two triangles. Actually we can find many triangles here. So these are the two triangles, very important here. So choosing the triangles, it is very important here. I will choose these two triangles. So look at this triangle. I will choose this triangle. What is the name of the triangle? This is DOC triangle. So I will choose DOC triangle as well as AOB triangle. These two triangles I am choosing. So I have chosen this triangle, the smaller triangle, and this triangle I have chosen. Now, already you studied in the previous classes that when two sides are parallel, a line acts like a transversal line. So this angle and this angle is equal. What are these angles? Alternate interior angles are equal. So same situation I am applying here. So anyhow AB and CD are parallel. I am taking AB is parallel to CD. Already he has given AD is parallel to CD and AC acts like a transversal line. AC acts like a transversal line. So when AB is parallel to CD and AC acts like a transversal line, I can say that this angle is same as this angle. So these two are called alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. I am naming it as small a here and I am naming it as small c. So I can write angle A is equal to angle C. Since alternate interior angles are equal, when alternate interior angles are equal, when these are parallel. So this is the equation I got it. This is the equation I got it. Next, again, instead of AC transversal line, AB and BCD are parallel, and I am taking BD also, it is a transversal line. BD I am taking it as a transversal line. So AB is parallel to CD and BD is a transversal line. So at this case, these two also alternate in triangles. This angle and this angle is equal. So angle B is equal to angle D. I am taking this as angle B, and I am taking it as angle D. So these two angles also equal. Why? Because of, again, this is the reason. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles are equal. So this is my second observation from the figure. Next, we talk about one more angle, that is VOA. What is VOA angle? Vertically opposite angles. So always vertical opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Here I am getting vertical opposite angles. These two acts like a vertical opposite angles. This angle as well as this angle acts like a vertical angle here. So angle COD is equal to angle AOB angle. So three angles I got it. I got three angles. So if you clearly observe here, if I take this as something x and x all are equal, that is x and x. So all these three angles in the above triangle is equal to all the three angles in the below in the triangles. So that therefore definitely these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. So this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle, and already vertical opposite angles are equal. So clearly these two triangles are similar by AA criteria. Why? Because of all three angles of a one triangle is equal to all the three angles of another triangle. So these two triangles we can call it as a similar triangles. So here I will note down this order. Order is very important. I will note down the order. So if I take triangle AOB first, is similar to triangle. Angle A is same as angle C here. So I can write it as C. O, it is same as angle O. Angle B is same as angle D. Already we got it as angle D here. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So when these two triangles are similar, already you have learned it. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are also in the proportion. So what are the corresponding sides here? So I will write these corresponding sides here. So please look at here. AO by CO. AO by CO is equal to OB by DO is equal to OB by OD. OB by OD. This is B. OB by OD. So that is only be required to prove that. So whenever the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides also in proportion. So I can write the corresponding sides AO related to CO, OB related to OD. Their ratios also will be equal and proportional. So that's all about this sum.